In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Clockify with InvoicingBuilder and generate an invoice using your Clockify data. First, go to your Clockify account. Click on your profile icon and then select Preferences. Next, go to Advanced Settings and click on Manage API Keys. Here, click Generate New API Key. Enter an API key name according to your preference and then click Generate. Once the API key is generated, copy it. Now, go to InvoicingBuilder. Click on your profile icon and select Integrations. Find the Clockify integration and open it. Paste the Clockify API key you copied earlier and click Save. Now that Clockify is connected, let's generate an invoice. Click on Generate Invoice. First, select the workspace you want to use for the invoice. Next, select the project. Then, select the start date and end date for the time entries you want to include. Once you've selected everything, click Confirm. Next, select the invoice template you want to use. You'll now see the Clockify data that can be mapped to the fields in your selected invoice template. Carefully review the mapping and make sure each Clockify field is connected to the correct invoice field. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm Mapping. As you can see, all the selected Clockify data has now been mapped to the invoice template. You can now customize the invoice details. Add your company logo, select the client, and enter the payment terms and PO number. You can also enter or update the invoice number and add your signature. Once you've completed all the required details, your invoice is ready. You can now export the invoice. You can also download or print the invoice, send it directly via email, or share the invoice link with your client. And that's it! You've successfully integrated Clockify with InvoicingBuilder and generated a professional invoice directly from your Clockify data.